questions, comments, or anything else on, let me see if we got anything. No, we're doing good. Cool. All right, let's move on to the next little section here. What is a healthy immune system? Well, this is where we come up with our concept of immune system vitality. So for immune system vitality, we need nutrient sufficiency, and that's across the board, but there's certain things we'll talk about that are going to be very, very helpful. We need gut integrity, and we'll talk about that here in just a moment. And then we also need sleep efficiency and rest at the proper times, right? So a really key point here, having a healthy immune system is not about never getting sick. And I think some people falsely think that the goal of being extremely healthy is not ever getting sick. And if I get sick, there's something wrong with us. The reality is that if you get sick, that's actually a really good thing, because it is seeing your immune system in action, and it means that your immune system has the potential to react to pathogens. All right. A dangerous place to be is where you never get a full-blown sickness and you don't recover fast. Like you have this constant low grade, you're always like kind of feeling off and getting like symptoms of something, never getting fully blown sick, but also never fully recovering. That's the sign of a weak immune system. What you want is to look, feel, and perform amazing most of the time. And then when you get something, you get it, and maybe you get hit hard with it. But then you come out of it relatively quick. All right. So it's not about getting sick. It's about not getting sick very often, which is frequency. And it's about not getting sick for very long, which is duration. All right. Hopefully we'll come out of these things relatively quick. By the way, it was pretty regular for me to get sick once or twice a year, but again, it came and went pretty fast. And I've been a few years without getting sick right now. And I'm not saying I'm not going to get sick this year. And if I do, that's perfectly fine. I have confidence that I'm extremely healthy. I know I'll pull out of it pretty fast. Right. And again, the key to not getting sick during flu season, or the key to minimizing frequency and duration, is going to be focusing on your health all year long. There's no amount of vitamin C or essential oils that you can take that will all of a sudden make you healthy, okay?